In this video, I'll show you how to fix the D3D11 error that commonly appears when launching or playing Fortnite. While this issue is most often reported in Fortnite, the same solution may also work for other games that display the same error. If you're seeing an error message like the one on your screen, follow these steps. First, open the Start menu and search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Click on the matching result. Once the Performance Options window opens, select the Advanced tab. Under the Virtual Memory section, click Change. In the Virtual Memory window, select Custom Size if it isn't already selected. For the initial size, MB, enter 1024. Next, you'll need to calculate the maximum size, MB, based on the amount of RAM installed in your computer. Multiply 1024 by your total RAM in gigabytes. For example, if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, 1024 times 8 is equal to 8,192 megabytes. If you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1024 times 16 is equal to 16,384 megabytes. If you have 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1024 times 32 is equal to 32,768 megabytes. Enter the calculated value into the maximum size field. Then click Set and confirm any prompts by selecting. In many cases, this will resolve the D3D11 error. If you're still experiencing the problem, try refreshing your graphics driver. Open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand the Display Adapters section, then locate your graphics card. Right-click on it and choose Disable Device. Then confirm by clicking Yes. After a few seconds, right-click the graphics card again and select Enable Device. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer. After the restart, launch your game again. The D3D11 error should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and let me know in the comments if this solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.